Okay, so this video is going to be on installing PyQt5 on Windows 10, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to install it. But first, if you want to install it through the official website, you can just open up your browser, type in PyQt5, and the first website that might show up is the Riverbank Computing. So you want to go ahead and click on that, and in here you can actually download it. If you want to use it as a tar.gz, or actually for Windows it would be the zip, you can actually go ahead and get that. But if you want to go ahead and get a different release, this one is 5.10, so more than likely, let's actually, that's not, oh, here we go, older versions can be found, so it's up here actually. So let's go ahead and click on these here. And the reason why we want to go ahead and get these, look for older versions, is because as you see here, it gives us 5.10, 0.1, 5.10, and earlier versions. Is maybe the latest one is not the one that you're looking for. So in here, you can go ahead and locate the one that you need, and just go ahead and, like, let's say we want 5.4. We can click on this one in here, and for some reason now it's taking us to SourceForge, so looks like now that's the website where they're having all their executables. So you can actually go ahead and get either the 64-bit or the 32-bit executable. So executables are very simple, you just go ahead and extract them, and that's it. Okay, so you can install it this way, but I'm going to go ahead and show you another way. Okay, so the easiest way to install it is if you have Python already installed. So all you would need to do is open up your terminal. And actually I'm thinking of command prompt, or CMD actually it's called on Windows. So just open up command prompt, and actually what we want to do is want to go ahead and right click on this one, and then right click on command prompt one more time, and then run as administrator, and click yes. Okay, we can close the other one. So in here what we want to do is I want to go ahead and use Python. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually we're going to be using pip, not just Python. We're going to be using pip, which is a package installer for Python. So we're going to go ahead and type in pip install, and then we're going to say PyQt5. I believe that's okay. And as you see, it's just going to go ahead and download it. It's going to go ahead and download the, not the latest version, but the stable version. So, but in this case it's 5.10.1. So if we go back to the website, what's the latest one on? Actually, yeah, it is the latest one. So cool. Okay, looks like we're getting the latest stable version. So, and it's the right one, 5.10.1. So in this one you're easily just getting it, and you don't have to worry about running it as an executable or as a zip file, and then having to locate the path and doing all that. Just with this command here, pip install PyQt5, you know, that's it. That's all you need to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it download, and I'm going to go ahead and show you that it actually works. Okay, so it looks like I had some technical difficulties, so but it actually installed. The only thing is the audio, for some reason it's just stopped working. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you that PyQt5 is installed. So the easiest way for you to know is you can open up the command prompt again, or actually we can use Python to be able to figure this out. So Python by default installs idle, so that's your IDE that you can use, and basically it's a shell that allows you to be able to code very easily, and it gives you a lot of advanced options, such as well, let me go ahead and show you here. If we do import, for example, you see it's giving you code highlighting or syntax highlighting, whatever that's called. And but the easiest way to check if you have PyQt5 installed is you can just type into your idle import PyQt. Make sure you spell it correctly, so it's capital P Y capital Q T and then 5. And if you don't get any errors, that means that it's installed. So as you see, no errors. One way to check is if we try to import anything else. So let's say PyQt4, for example, Since we don't have it installed, it's going to give us an error. Another way to check is you can actually check through the path. So to see where it's located, you can go to your local C and then go to program files, go into Python, and then it should be under lib. Is it libs or no? It's liv, L-I-V, I think. And then in here, you want to go to actually we're looking for disk packages. I'm not sure why I was thinking that. So disk packages, and then PyQt5 is there. As you see, there's that folder, and as you see here, there's all the modules and all the files that you get with it. So, and then you also have some other folders in here with other stuff in there, so you know that it's installed. So anyways, it's installed, so now you can go ahead and start using PyQt5. So that's it for now. Bye.